you traders, this is John Howell here from tradinginvesting4u.com, and in this video I'm going to show you probably what I believe is one of the best stock market analysis or technical analysis software out there on the planet. I've been using this now for quite some time, and I've used many different pieces of software over that time as well, and I'm just want to go through and actually show you why I believe this is one of the best ones out there. The one that I'm going to look at is mainly for the US stock market. Okay, the Australian stock market, other stock markets I'm not sure of, but if you trade in the US stock market, then this is really going to help you move forward as well too. The place is called TC2000. Okay, now yes, it is a paid subscription, but it's one of the best paid softwares that I've seen out there in a long time. And the reason why is because if I zoom this up a bit more, there's a few things that we can actually do here. At the end of the day, we can actually create. Let's just do this. Let's just move this up here. Move this up here. I'm just trying to fit this in the screen. So we can actually, what we can actually do is we can actually create different workspace. Okay, so we can have this one here, have daily, weekly. So you click on that, and that's what we're right now. It's stock watching. So you can click on that, and it's going to bring up another whole different layout. Okay, and so on and so forth. So let me just see if I can go back to my daily watching, because my screen screws up. You can watch S&P 500, watching list, TC. You can create different workspace. Now you just click on it and boom, it creates a completely different layout, depending on what you look for. You can create different watch lists if you want to, so you can keep an eye on different watch lists, drawing tools, and so on and so forth. The one thing I do like is about the easy scan. So you click on easy scan, and all you have to do is you can create a new scan. Click on create new scan, add a condition, and no matter what you want to do, you can click scan through here, and you can add any of these. Okay, and you can add heaps. You know, you might want to add, let's just say you want to add a gap down, okay, on the S&P 500, or you can choose any other market on S&P 500, Russell 2000, S&P 500. Any conditions, you can go and say you want. I also want, let's just say, an indicator. Price down. You know what? Price times up above moving average 20. Yeah. So let's actually click on that as well too. And you can add as many as you want to. And then all you do is click on scan, and now it's going to scan all the stocks, and it's going to bring it out here. Now, obviously, my watch list or my scanning process wasn't actually in there. But what I have generally is just a few different scans here. If I click on scan, you can see I've had the STT oversold. If I click on that, it's going to automatically scan the stocks, and out of 500 stocks now, I've got 31 stocks which have met my conditions of one of the indicators I'm looking for to trade. Really, really simple, right? So you can edit this, you can create new ones and stuff like that. It's really, really simple to actually use and doing the scanning there. So instead of spending, say, hours and hours doing analysis on 500 stocks, you can quickly do a scan of the formations and the different settings you're looking for, and then you can actually do that. The best thing, another thing I like as well too, is you can draw trend lines instead of alerts to it. So if I draw a trend line through here, and let's actually zoom in. And if I say, you know what, I want this to alert me. I want the S&P 500 to alert me if it gets down to here, because I think it's going to be a good buying entry. Well, you click on it, you set an alert, right? You just leave all this alone. You can play around if you want to, and you say, you know what, SP 500 hit good, or hit, say, good support, as an example. Okay, hit good support. Now what's going to happen is this, and click OK, and you can see, no, I don't want to view alerts, but here's all the different alerts that I've got set for me personally. And what happens now is that this trend line, the set, you can leave that there, and as soon as, if you don't look at this for another 2 months or whatever, as soon as this comes down and starts breaching this trend line, just breaches slightly, then what's going to happen is it's automatically send you an email. And now get this software here is going to send you an email, okay, telling you exactly what you actually put in there. S&P 500 hit good support level. What you can do is then you can actually set up to send the email to your mobile phone, okay, all through here. And so you can actually send that. As you know, you can actually receive email from your phone. So you get the email sent to you, and then as the emails get sent to you, the email goes straight to your phone, and you can be alerted on the go. So that's just one of the many features like this. Again, I'm not affiliated with this company at all, but you know, I believe it's one of the best ones out there. A lot of people have been asking me which ones do I use, and TC2000, and they're just some of the things that I like about that. One, let's just recap. One, it's very flexible. You can create different templates down the bottom here. You can easily change them to the ones you like. Two, you can create different watch lists you want to and move them around to whatever you like. You can create scans, and so instead of spending hours and hours looking at, say, 300-400 stocks, then you can actually just, you know, click on easy scan, create a new scan, and once again add a condition, and you know, before you know it, you can add any of these different parameters in, and you can lay them up. You know what I mean? You can do volume up one day, click OK. Let's go this one here as an example. Click OK. I'm just gonna quickly run through this just real quick. Just say, you know, let's just scroll down the bottom here. Let's just go volume up. This one here. Click OK. Okay. So this is just an example. I'm just quickly going through it. But what you can do is you can layer them up, layer, and then click scan. It depends on the click scan, and then what's going to happen is this is going to then go and scan the market, depending on what sort of watch list you or what sort of market you want to scan there. Okay, so this is probably set to the S&P 500. So I hope that helps. This is the technical analysis software that I use personally. I've been using for quite some time, and I like it, especially on the US stock market. If you want to learn more about technical analysis and how to read charts, then head on to tradinginvestingforyou.com, click on that free videos tab at the top, and there's a whole bunch of videos right there on the website. Nothing to be paid, no money to spend. Literally, it's right there on the website to help you guys out. Anyway, this is John Howell here from tradinginvestingforyou.com. Come down, check us out, check out the free videos tab, and also at the end of the day, come on down to our Facebook, which is facebook.com/share trading mastery, and my Twitter feed, twitter.com/John Trader. I'm out of here. No matter what happens, say to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, evening, and that is success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today.